Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome Kind bars. This is the caramel, almond, and sea salt flavor. They are so tasty. So this bar has 5 grams of sugar and 6 grams of protein. It is kosher, gluten-free, and just a really nice snack to have. I like to eat them before a workout or for an afternoon pick-me-up. And I feel really nice and satisfied after eating these, which is great. I also like the factors of it as well. So it has 64% nuts. It has a low glycemic index, and then no sugar alcohols, low sodium, 0 grams trans fat, and high in fiber. It is about 170 calories, which is also really nice for a bar. So I definitely recommend these. It's nice little sweet pick-me-up, and that is my point of view.